Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix your account is already registered to another phone in Gcash. So if you want to sign in with your account on your phone and you find this error, so basically we have a few ways to register this phone. So first up, log in with your registered phone and then go to profile and then settings and then go to account secure and then register your old phone and finally sign in and register to your new phone. So let's open up the Gcash on the registered phone. So from here, you just need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And then here, go to the settings. Now, under the settings, here you will find an option which says account secure. So tap on that. And here you'll find your current registered phone, which is iPhone SE. So basically, tap on the drop down menu and tap on unregister phone. So once done, you can now sign in and register to your new phone. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.